Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today again we are going to use the Lemonade Craze and Soda Pop by Maybelline just to dig into more of my project pan. And now I have started on the shade, and this is Sunny's. So that's what I got on my eyes after I primed it. So yeah. Then now I'm going in with this palette right here just to dig into this shade right here and put this all over the crease, and I'll be right back. So once I did that, I'm going in with a Coral Punch. I'm trying to hit pan on this shade. Just going on top of that shade so it's a little darker. Because when I just put the shade on and it's just like really light and I can barely see it. So now I'm just going in on both sides there. Almost. And then I'm going in with Ice Pop. So that is like my main goal, is just to top these three and get more use out of it on my crease. And they're beautiful shades. Very pigmented on this Ice Pop shade right there. Just trying to stick in the crease area with this brush. Because I like pink tones in the crease area. I just do. We go into a root beer right here. This brownie shade. Just going in the crease area. The outer corner. And then again on the other side. I'm going to go with Old Fashioned. I'm just going in the rest of the lid. And blending that in with root beer. And go in with Soda Fizz. Yeah, the shade right here. Just going in with my finger to top that on with, what was that? Old Fashioned. Just a more neutral look for today. Nothing too fancy. I love my colored looks though. So I'm just going in on top of that shade. Going in with Blue Raspberry and just going the outer portion underneath. I'm going back in with root beer. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Hourglass. Love this stuff. So beautiful. Just topping it in the center. Then I'm going in the shade in this palette. In my inner corner. And this is the finished look. Kind of like glam neutral. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.